Hi, my name is Kennedy Jones, and this is my portfolio presentation for CI 337. I used a child from the Child Development Lab. I call her Trinity. She's 3 and she's shy. She's often found playing independently, which is why I thought it would be interesting to try to assess her. I assessed her on physical, language, cognitive, and social development. For physical development, I chose uh, if she could hop on one leg. So I asked her to first stand up like a flamingo, so that was using one leg. And then after she did that, I proceeded to ask her if she could hop on that one leg, and she did. She showed me that she was able to perform this milestone. And this is developmentally appropriate for her age group because McAfee and Leon claimed that a child from the ages of 2 to 3 should be able to hop on a preferred leg for a short period of time. I then assessed her on cognitive development and I asked her if she could draw a picture of me with a body. This is the hair right here. This is the face. These two are the arms. This is the body, and these are the feet. And since the picture is for me, she decided to write the word teacher for me. So, she was able to show that she could do this that she could perform this milestone because she was able to draw what she thought was hair, a body, a face, and feet. And according to McAfee and Leon, they feel as if a child from the ages of 2 to 3 should have the ability to grasp a writing utensil with the whole hand or fist and make scribbles. They also feel as if a child should be able to draw a stick figure with arms, legs, and face features. I did not specifically ask her to draw a stick figure. I asked her to just draw a picture for me so that I could keep it. So I did pass her because that's what she did. I then assessed her ability to know her phonics, to be aware of phonics, and that falls into the category of language development. Trinity was showed a letter at random and asked what the letter sounds like. So I didn't go from A to Z. I didn't go in order. I just picked out random letters. Some of these letters were letters that were in her name, and some of them weren't. I asked her the letters T, B, C, H, J, K, and L. And she was not able to identify any of these letters. She didn't know what they sound like. She couldn't correctly identify what they sound like. And so once she did that, I checked them off the list, saying that she couldn't. And this is developmentally appropriate because McAfee and Lee Young feel as if a child should know a sequence of letters in a written word and know the sequence of sounds in that word. So like when the word, they should know the letter and they should be able to express what it sounds like. For social development, I assessed her ability to identify basic emotions. Trinity was asked about 4 different emotions, and a checklist was then made. She was able to identify the faces happy, mad, sad, and surprised. However, for surprise, she labeled it as an uh-oh face. And I passed her because of the way that the face was. The mouth was open and the eyebrows were lifted up. And so it looked more of a mistake face than a surprised face. So I did pass her. And I feel as if she properly identified each basic emotion. And this is developmentally appropriate because McAfee and Leong believe that a child should be able to identify basic emotions at the age of 2 to 3. So for my summary, I put that this assessment does not in any way, shape, or form define Trinity or her success as a person. These assessments are only used for educational purposes. I am not a professional, and so I don't feel as if anything that I assessed her on means that she's above or below average or anything like that. This presentation should not define her as a person, and it just means that she needs, on some subjects, she may need a little more help than others, but she has just turned 3 recently, so those are just some factors, and that's all. So thank you for watching this, and I hope that you enjoyed it.